Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another amazing and easy tutorial for you guys. I'll be showing you guys how to animate a photo in Motion Leap. So we're going to go ahead and launch Motion Leap, and once we've done that, we're going to click on the photo icon in the upper left hand corner, and we're going to select new project and select an image from our gallery. So once we've done this, we're going to go ahead and click on animate, and this will give us the option to animate the image. You should see the option of brush and direction, and as you can see, I am adjusting my brush size. So the brush allows you to highlight the areas that you wish to animate, and the direction allows you to make the animation more realistic. So once you've highlighted the areas and you've added your directions and you are happy with your results, you can simply go ahead and export the image. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. If you did, you can go ahead and leave a comment, leave a like, and also if you're new, please subscribe for more videos.